Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack coming to you from the Smart Art Academy. So what have we got for you today? Today it's all about objects. When we're drawing them and the light hits one side, we draw our object, we shade beautifully, and we end up with a line around the outside. Now that doesn't look overly realistic, does it? Because apples don't have lines, or any subject really. Nature's just kind of not like that. So how do we make this better? This is going to be easier for me to show you. Follow me. So here we have our apple and you can see the outline. Now how we get rid of that is actually not to change the apple at all, but to change our background. So I've put some charcoal over the background and I'm just blending that in to get a nice soft background. And you'll notice that my background is darker on the lighter side of my apple and lighter on the darker side of my apple. And that gradient really helps with the illusion of the light is coming from that top right hand corner and hitting the apple on that left hand side. So we can really layer up and darken that background and then add our highlights to our apple using our eraser, our putty eraser. And there we get a lovely apple that looks reasonably realistic by changing the background. And now we've seen how we get from that to this. Come and join us in the Smart Art Academy for loads more, or subscribe to the email newsletter. This will give you so much information, free workshops, and we do loads more of understanding the why light works the way it does, etc. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you again on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.